Hello YouTube. I'm going to be reading from A New Concept of the Universe, written by WAHsu. The Secret of Man's Powers. Knowledge of polarity control and the dual curvature of this radial universe of multiplying and dividing radial pressures is the secret of man's new power. Science has not used this power for industry because it has been unknown. With that knowledge, science could blow this planet to pieces by multiplying the power of radioactivity through the lenses of polarity curvature, in addition to chain reaction explosive power. The power within any mass can be used against itself, just as a man can, and does, use his own great power against himself. Through this knowledge, man could electrocute or incinerate marching armies to the last man, or destroy approaching planes or ships as far as they could be detected by radar. Entire nations could insulate their peoples from any enemy from without. By the time that becomes possible, however, there will be no enemy from without. For the thing that makes man the enemy of other men is greed for material wealth and fear of bodily insecurity. Both greed and fear will disappear from the face of the earth when man need no longer have to kill other men to obtain all of his material needs for personal aggrandizement or bodily security. For material abundance will not be dependent upon matter. A new power of man will be his ability to project gravity in the shape of a high potential focused form from a point to a distant focal point instead of projecting radiation only, as he now does. An outward explosion from dynamite, for example, is radiative. It is effective for but a limited distance from the source of the explosion. An inward explosion is gradative, and it is effective wherever projected. Its tremendous power could melt the stone of a mountain for the needed metals, or destroy an enemy during the interval of time needed to teach mankind the futility of enmity. That is what I mean by the transformation of man through new knowledge. New conditions arise from new knowledge, and man must conform to new conditions. He cannot help doing so. Man's nature is essentially good. The evil in man springs from fear for the safety and security of his body, and from greed for the satisfaction of bodily desires. Remove these, and man will naturally respond to the good in him. For all men seek that peace, happiness, and security which only a balanced system of human relations will give to him.